Hello eDeskers! Tired of not knowing who's doing what? Stay tuned and find out how easy it is to assign tickets in eDesk. It's very easy to assign tickets in eDesk. Simply click on the icon at the top and select the owner. Once the ticket is assigned, the owner will see it in the My Tickets section of their mailbox, so they know exactly which tickets they're responsible for. Here's how you can do it even faster. When you're on your mailbox, simply click on the icon and select the owner. And that's it. You've done it in one click. Here's an eDesk pro tip for you. You can save time and assign tickets in bulk. Simply select the tickets in question and click on the ellipsis at the top. Select Assign Owner and choose which owner you want to assign the selected tickets to. Once you're done, hit Save. And that's it! This is really useful if one of your agents is sick, for example, and you need to quickly reassign their tickets to someone else. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested to learn more about eDesk, check out the link below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.